Today, I am reviewing the Sensi Touch Smart Thermostat. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let us start with the physical unit itself and the first impression it makes when you take it out of the box. The Sensi Touch features a large, beautiful touchscreen color display. In the black finish, it looks exceptionally sleek and modern without being overly pretentious. The screen is clear, the text is crisp and easy to read from across the room, and the menus are incredibly intuitive. You do not have to scroll through endless submenus just to change the temperature or check your schedule. Everything you need is right there on the main interface. However, before you can enjoy the screen, you have to install it, and this is where Emerson really hits a home run. I have installed a lot of smart home tech over the years, and the DIY installation process for the Sensi Touch is easily one of the best I have ever experienced. The physical thermostat itself has a built-in bubble level, which sounds like a small detail, but it saves you from having to fish around in your toolbox just to make sure the unit is straight on your wall. Furthermore, it features illuminated, easy-click terminals. When you are working in a dimly lit hallway or trying to see behind a wall plate, having those terminals light up makes matching and inserting your wires incredibly simple. The Sensi mobile app guides you through a step-by-step process tailored to your specific wiring system. Now, there is one very important detail you must keep in mind before purchasing this model. It absolutely requires a common wire or C-wire. This is not optional for the ST75 model because that gorgeous touchscreen and the constant Wi-Fi connectivity require dedicated, continuous power. If you have an older home without a C-wire, you will either need to run one, use a C-wire adapter kit, or look at a different model. But if you have that C-wire ready to go, the installation will take you less than 15 minutes. Once it is up and running, the daily performance is where this thermostat truly shines. The primary reason most people buy a smart thermostat is to save money on their utility bills, and the Sensi Touch delivers on that promise. It is Energy Star certified, and Emerson claims it can save you about 23% on your HVAC energy use. In my testing, those numbers feel very realistic. The savings come down to how effective the smart features are. The app allows for incredibly flexible scheduling, meaning you can program it down to the hour based on your routine. If you leave for work at 8 in the morning and return at 5, you can set the system to drift into a more energy-efficient zone while you are away, and then prime the house to your perfect temperature just before you walk through the door. Because it has robust Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control the entire system from anywhere in the world using your smartphone or tablet. If your plans change and you're coming home early, you just open the app on your phone, adjust the temperature, and your home is comfortable by the time you arrive. It also integrates seamlessly with major smart home ecosystems, working flawlessly with Alexa, so you can just use voice commands when you are lounging on the couch. Beyond the basic temperature controls, the smart maintenance features provide immense peace of mind. The Sensi app tracks your system's performance and delivers comprehensive usage reports. It tells you exactly how long your heating or cooling ran on any given day, which helps you understand your energy consumption patterns. Even better, it acts as a silent monitor for your HVAC health. It sends you alerts if it detects unusual equipment behavior and provides crucial maintenance reminders, such as when it is time to replace your air filter. For anyone who constantly forgets to change their filters, this feature alone is worth the investment because running a system with a dirty filter is a prime cause of high energy bills and premature equipment failure. Finally, we have to talk about the absolute best feature of this thermostat, which is something you cannot see on the display, and that is data privacy. In today's world, almost every smart device you put in your home is trying to harvest your data, track your habits, and sell that information to third-party advertisers. Emerson takes a completely different, refreshing stance with the Sensi line. They explicitly state that they will not sell your personal information or your home's data to third parties. Your data privacy is protected. When you install this in your house, you can rest assured that your daily schedule, your presence in the home, and your habits are not being monetized by a tech conglomerate. That commitment to privacy, combined with excellent energy savings, a stunning color interface, and an incredibly easy DIY installation, makes the Sensi Touch Smart Thermostat an absolute winner. If you want a reliable, high-performing smart thermostat that respects your privacy and looks great on your wall, this is the one to get.